Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 7-Eleven payment not going through issue. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable because payment transactions require a strong network connection. Then, verify your payment details such as your card number, expiration date, security code. Even small mistakes can cause the payment to fail. Then make sure your card has enough balance and it is not expired or blocked. You can also try using a different payment method if available. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Then, if the payment still fails, contact your bank to see if the transaction was blocked for security reasons. That's how you fix the 7-Eleven payment not going through. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like,